So today I'm going to be going over how to use the two most basic features of Opus Clip AI. And let's begin with the first one, which is converting your longs to shorts. To get started, we will click on this button, and there are two ways to upload your video in order to begin processing. What I'll show you right now is the first way, which is to drop in the link of your content from social. So what I'm going to do is go to one of my YouTube videos and click on the video link right here and just plug it in. Then Opus is going to automatically detect for the video. Now, since this is a turnkey, get you started as fast as possible video, I'm not going to mess with any of these settings. What I find is that the default settings are oftentimes good enough. And you can see here that there's a variety of different presets, from the text style to how it highlights certain words versus bounces certain words. And so I'm just going to go ahead and run with a simple style like so. Now, this is about a 2-minute long video. You can see that it will use about 2 credits of my about 8,400 credits that I've purchased. So once I've selected this style, then I'll go ahead and just click on Get Clips in one click. And you can see here that it will take about 5 minutes to upload. Okay, so it's finished processing, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Now you can see here that it's clipped it up into 3 different shorts. And if we click on Edit Clip, you'll see that it does a good job of adding captions and also trimming out a specific segment that's good enough to publish as a standalone short. Let's take a look at the others. So you'll see here too that it does a good job of taking important frames from the scene and placing it one on top of the other right here. Also readjusting the focus to display the talking head in the center of the frame. This right here, these 3 I think are already good enough to use as is. Now there's 2 ways that you can go ahead and upload this. And the first way is to obviously download it and then manually upload it to your socials like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. But another way is you can connect your social accounts to Opus and then publish it directly from Opus. So you'll see that Opus will create an AI generated title and AI generated meta description, along with a few hashtags that are relevant to the video. And so from here, we can select a time, let's say Saturday at 6 a.m. and then schedule it. It's now going to publish this short on Saturday at 6 a.m. through the YouTube API. And you can see all the shorts here, a schedule of what's been posted and what's about to be posted. So now let's move on to AI captioning your videos. Okay, so to start captioning your videos, just click on this right here, and then alternatively, I'm going to manually upload a video from my hard drive, which you can do like so. Now, I've already uploaded this so that we don't have to wait. And you can see here that everything's already been captioned all over here. One thing to be considerate of is that the spelling that's inserted by Opus AI is not always the best. So for example, this last name right here, Maurer, it should actually be spelled as M-A-U-R-E-R. Now, the good thing about Opus is that when it detects that same name in another portion of the video, which you will see here, then it will signify it by the number on the right. So if there are 5 instances of this misspelling, then it will say 5 right here. And what you can do is easily click apply to everywhere, and then it'll change all of those instances in which the original spelling should be changed to the corrected spelling, okay? So this AI isn't perfect in terms of how it spells out names in particular, so it will take a bit of manual review. Now, another thing to keep in mind is the captions. You can see here, if you click on captions, if we don't like this style, we can easily choose a different style right here, okay? You can see here, if we go back to this, it's always along the bottom, but if we just go to effects, we can set it to appear along the middle or along the top. I'm gonna leave it along the bottom, export from here. So that's the end of this tutorial on the basics of Opus AI. I will be recording another video soon on more of the different features, but I just wanted to get you started right out the gate on being able to quickly produce shorts and get your videos captioned. Talk soon.